Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, then welcome. My name is Faith Hill, and thank you so much for joining me today. So if you're wondering why we're in my bathroom, it's because I filmed an intro for this video, but I didn't like it, and I also forgot to mention my bob and the fact that I'm wearing bombshell hair extensions. It's a sew-in with minimal leave out, and I'm loving it. So I wanted to mention that. But yeah, this video is going to be like a chit chat get ready with me using all of my November favorites. So I did this look in the video, and yeah, I really liked the way it came out. I enjoyed chit chatting with y'all. So if you want to see how I got this look and see me use my favorite products of the month, then of course you know what to do. Just keep on watching the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off by showing you guys something that I've really been loving skincare wise this month. This is the Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal Self-Heating 1 Minute Mask. So it just looks just like this. I get them at Walmart, and it comes in this little, like, you can just pick the mask up out of the pack. It comes with 4 of them, I think, 4 or 5. 4 comes with 4 of them in there, and they look like this, and it's a self-heating charcoal mask. Of course, that's what it says, 1 minute. I like to use mine in the shower because the water like activates it. You're supposed to use it on a wet face, and it just feels like you're at the spa. And I really have seen a difference using these, like with my pores. It just like really clears out your skin. So I like using these either in the shower, or I'll use them right before my makeup. I did one last night, so I'm not gonna do one today. But yeah, I really have been loving that for skincare, so I wanted to share that with you guys. So I'm just gonna be showing y'all, like I said, my kind of like get ready with me November favorites chit chat edition, like what I've been doing with my skin, with my face, like my go-to look, which is really similar to my go-to look a lot of the times, but I'm going to be showing you guys just the products that I've been loving and just doing it in more of a chit chat style. So for this month, I've really been loving a more glowy look. So I'm going to start off with this Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, which I got. I have a couple of these little miniature sizes. I don't know why I have more than one, but I got another one for my birthday little gift from Sephora. Had like some Glam Glow stuff in it because my birthday was this month. I turned 23, just crazy. So I'm just putting this, I'm gonna focus it like on my cheekbones and nose, but then I'm just gonna rub it everywhere because honestly it smells so good. Okay, so now for my foundation I've been loving. As you can tell, I use this stuff. This is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I've just been applying it with my beauty blender, a clean beauty blender. Mine is stained, but I wash any beauty blender before I use it because it really does make a difference in your skin and your makeup application if you just take some time and wash your beauty blender before you apply your foundation, your concealer, all that stuff. So I just put some on the back of my hand and then take my spoon. Finished, and I will leave what I used on them down below in the description box if you are at all curious. So now we're going to get into concealer, and I have been using a new concealer this month. I've been using the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, and I'm in the shade Granola 18N. I will say I like this for under the eyes. I don't care for it anywhere else, and the shade range kind of, I don't want to say it sucks because I think there's a good amount of shades for a concealer, but the shades are really, really weird, like the undertones. I have 18 neutral, and let's see, in the foundation, I have 420 golden. So normally for my concealers, I still like a golden yellow undertone. I just don't want anything pink. That's my main thing for really like any concealer foundation. But there was no light warm shade for under the eyes for the concealer. It was either like really, really, really warm or pink. There was like no happy medium. I'll show you guys. It looks fine, like I work with it. It was just really difficult to pick one out. And I like the product as far as like the concealer, but I'm just not sure I'm crazy about the applicator. I like to get the sides of my nose, you know, and this kind of makes it a little difficult to do that. But the applicator is cooling, so It's good for under the eyes. The reason I've been liking this is because I think it really does work good with her setting powder that I love. So they like work good together. I just kind of wish the shade range was a little bit better and that maybe there was a different applicator. And then I go in with my Too Faced one on the other places of my face because this is still, I love this concealer. To tell you a concealer to go get between the Huda Beauty one and the Too Faced one, I would definitely choose the Too Faced one. I don't think you need this one, but I do think that all her products work really, really well together. So like if you have the powder and you want to see how it works with the concealer, I would recommend that because I think they do work beautifully together. Okay, so before I go in with setting powder, I am going to cream contour. That's still something that I'm really loving. I'm going to try a new cream contour. I've tried a couple, but I would like to try a different one. So leave your favorite cream contour down below, but I'm still rocking with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I just think it's a really pretty shade to cream contour with. Like it gives me a nice bronze look. Maybe I'm more of like cream bronzing because I don't do it very structured. I just like to look like I've been sitting in the sun. One thing I have been doing though, I will say, because I watch every makeup Shayla video, but all of our foundations routines I watch like in depth. So she started contouring higher up, so I started contouring higher up because it really does have like a more snatched effect. And it also gives you more leverage I feel like if you're a beginner, it's better to contour higher up anyways, because if you move like your brush too much horizontally, you're okay because you're not like contouring below your cheekbone. So I like that tip, so I've been doing that. Still going on the forehead. Now that we have cream contoured and highlighted, I am going to be taking my Huda Beauty, what does she call this? Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder, and I'm not in the shade Blondie, I'm using the shade Blondie. I think I could go a shade lighter. I'm sure most people, well, I don't know, but Raven Elise TV, I love her. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers. She hit 1 million subscribers. I think that's so cool. She's like so deserving, and if you watch her, then you literally saw her like tell us what she was gonna do and then do it this whole entire year. So that was just like bomb and like truly inspiring, like putting out what you want into the universe and just like letting everybody else manifest it and then getting it back. Really have to manifest things. Which brings me to another favorite I wanted to share with you guys. Oh, this book right here. I've been reading this book this month. It's called You Are a Badass. And I feel like most people know about this book, but so I'm not super duper into like self-help books. I love to read, but I love like fiction books, like books that you can kind of get lost in. But I like this book. It takes me a little bit longer, I feel like, to read books like this because you don't just get lost in it. It's more like highlighting and taking notes and things like that, but this is a great book. I feel like if you want to just like level up and like put your life into a jump start, I think this, and if you're serious about it, like if you're not just gonna like read the book and then put it down, if you're serious about it, I think this is a great way to start. There's some really great tips in here. Me personally, I have a lot of goals and dreams I want to achieve, but like I'm just lazy. So this book has like, I knew I was lazy, but this book has really made me realize how lazy I am. So I'm really excited for 2019 because I'm gonna be a badass. So yeah, this is one of my favorites for the month. I'm almost done with it, but so far I really love it, and I think there's like some great suggestions in it. I love the format and like the layout of the book because she literally gives you like lists that you can follow. Like, it's just a good book, so I would definitely recommend that. Let's go ahead and dust off this situation here. Then to contour, I'm going in with my tried and true. We've been through it, as you can see. We've been through it, but she is a writer. She's a real one. And this is my Anastasia contour kit in medium to tan. Yeah, medium to tan. I'm gonna take this middle shade right here for my cheekbones, and then I know it looks like I have nothing left in here, but I have something left in there, and I'm going to be using that to contour, intensify the nose contour. So I'm going to do that first. I'm scraping the edges. I need to get a new one, but we still got some. Like, we have totally completely hit pan, but I got a lot of product on the edges. Great for the nose contour. I've been loving the MAC blush in Peaches. I just think it goes great with like my whole glowy look. And this is a Morphe no name brush, just says Morphe on it. Alright, then for my eyes, we're going to be using this bad boy. This is the Desi and Katy Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. I'm sure you've seen this. It is a beauty. Oh my god, I love this palette. I've used every color in it because I've been using this on my clients since I got it, I think in October. Yeah, been using it on my clients since I got it, been using it on myself. It's just like beautiful, and I think it's the perfect palette to pack with you because you can get pretty much any look with it. I am going to start off though with my MAC quad and use the Saddle right here by MAC. This is like the perfect transition shade for me. So yeah, we're gonna take Just a Kiss on a Morphe M124 brush. Take the shade Chittle? Yeah, Chittle. So we're almost done. So I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit more, and I'm gonna take the shade Cheens. It's a great dark brown because it is pretty dark and pretty pigmented, but it just blends out so easily. Such an easy blendable brown shade. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, we're gonna go ahead and do a little lip. I'm gonna take Cork and Chestnut from MAC, kind of back and forth. Start out with Cork. And then I'm gonna take London Soft Matte Lip Cream from NYX. I think we're gonna leave it like that. So that is going to conclude this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me some comments down below and let me know your November favorites, makeup, music, books, food, whatever, because I love to try out new stuff. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. Let me know some video requests, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.